Mohammad Shahbaz Sharif Sahab, Excellencies, worthy ambassadors, worthy Consul Generals, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, but most importantly, my brilliant scientists, the pride of Punjab and pride of Pakistan. Today, my heart is full of gratitude. We are not just standing in a building of glass and steel, Prime Minister. We are standing inside a dream that has finally taken its first breath. This path-breaking reform was first envisioned by you, Honorable Prime Minister. You were then the Chief Minister of Punjab, and it has been a long 10-year journey to get here. And seeing it come to life today, I know that you must be the happiest person in the room, Prime Minister. Let me take you back 15 years. I remember how you as Chief Minister would express such deep personal concern over how forensic evidence was handled. You knew that when evidence is weak, justice is a casualty. You did not talk. You acted. In 2011, you gave this country its first state-of-the-art laboratory, the Punjab Forensic Science Agency, PFSA. And then came the darkness, Prime Minister, the dark era that not only engulfed Punjab but the whole of Pakistan. Today, with the grace of the Almighty Allah, I am carrying that torch forward. My government has funded a massive expansion of PFSA, providing the most modern equipment that you just saw at a cost of 5 billion plus. We have already made 142 high-tech machines operational in phase 1, and 565 machines and equipment pieces are on the way. It will be, inshallah, completed in the coming months. To ensure justice reaches every doorstep, I am expanding our satellite crime scene units of PFSA from 8 to 38 districts with an investment of 5 billion. Prime Minister, when someone says that I follow in your footsteps and I'm upholding your legacy, it is not only a medal on my chest, but it is certainly the continuation of the good work. Merit is the only standard for me, virtue that I learned from my father and my chacha sitting right here. Prime Minister, I will just give you a brief overview of what this is. 142 operational machines, as I said, 565 on the way. Most modern equipment for justice. 8 districts previously covered, now 38. The challenge is unsafe food, fake fertilizers, substandard medicines. We have now cosmetic testing, soil testing, orthopedic implants testing. Prime Minister, we test fertilizers now, we test pesticides now, food, drug, cosmetics, biomedical devices, soil, alternative medicine, biological medicine, orthopedic implants, animal feed for the first time ever in Pakistan. So Punjab is now the only province that not only cares for its citizens, but also for its animals. Water contamination, that is the root cause of many diseases. And Prime Minister, we have now established an interface with Food Safety and Inspection Service America, GAIN, Global Alliance for Improved Nutrition, and also CABI, United Kingdom. This is the best part. We now have about 232 scientists, of which over 100 are either gold medalists or silver medalists. And we now have 28 PhDs. But the best thing about it is 70% of this number, mashallah, women sitting here. And Prime Minister, we are an agri-based economy. And I understand that you've been trying really hard to increase the exports. But we don't have a testing lab. We don't have a quality testing lab. And because of that, not only the exporter suffers, but the consumer suffers as well. And कंसाइनमेंट्स जो हैं वो रुक जाती हैं, वापस कर दी जाती हैं. इंटरनेशनल कंप्लायंस नहीं है, नेशनल कंप्लायंस नहीं है. देयर इज आर्केक ड्रग टेस्टिंग. और सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट बात कि ये जो लैब हमने बनाई है, प्राइम मिनिस्टर ने जिसकी बुनियाद रखी थी, ये सेट करेगा स्टैंडर्ड फॉर द इंटरनेशनल कंप्लायंस एंड ऑल्सो फॉर द डोमेस्टिक स्टैंडर्ड्स. और जो क्वालिटी, एक चीज़ हमें अब एज ए नेशन समझनी चाहिए कि जो क्वालिटी एक्सपोर्ट के लिए ठीक नहीं है, वो क्वालिटी हमारे आवाम की कंजम्पशन के लिए भी ठीक नहीं है. वो आटा जो हम एक्सपोर्ट नहीं कर सकते, वो आटा हमारे लोगों को भी नहीं खाना चाहिए. वो चावल जो हम एक्सपोर्ट नहीं कर सकते, वो चावल यहाँ भी नहीं कंज्यूम होने चाहिए. और प्राइम मिनिस्टर, we now have a hostel accommodation for the female scientists who've come to this lab from all across Pakistan. Prime Minister, digital revolution. Punjab mein is standing on the cusp of a digital revolution. From monitoring the flows of water during the flood, from my office management to the cabinet, जिनको अभी हमने AI की पूरी वर्कशॉप प्राइम मिनिस्टर मैंने भी अटेंड की और मेरे कैबिनेट मेंबर्स ने भी अटेंड की. Totally digital, totally paper free. All tendering, all procurement in Punjab is now e-tendering, e-procurement. The e-business initiative that we started about 60 days ago, you would be happy to know, Prime Minister, कि 23,000 businesses को हमने online इजाज़त दी है, faceless बिल्कुल, no NOCs, all NOCs online, and बहुत उसको seamless बना दिया है और बिल्कुल उसको हमने simplify कर दिया है. 23,000 businesses को इजाज़त मिली in just 60 days. And इसी के साथ प्राइम मिनिस्टर, अगर कोई पुलिस में कोई इशू होता है, कोई क्राइम रिपोर्ट होता है, हमारा फर्स्ट रिस्पॉन्डर अब एक ड्रोन होता है. पुलिस बाद में आती है फिजिकली. और अभी आपने देखा होगा कि जहां आग लगी थी लाहौर में, लिबर्टी के पास, वहां पर प्राइम मिनिस्टर मैं अपने घर में बैठ के थ्रू द ड्रोन मैं देख रही थी कि आग कहाँ कहाँ फैल रही है, कहाँ कहाँ रेस्क्यू क्या क्या कर रहा है. और इसी तरह प्राइम मिनिस्टर, जो बच्चियाँ पुलिस स्टेशन नहीं आ सकती, लेकिन कोई हैरेसमेंट रिपोर्ट करनी है, कोई प्रेशर रिपोर्ट करना है, कोई प्रॉब्लम रिपोर्ट करनी है, तो पुलिस स्टेशन खुद चल के उनके पास जाता है. वो 15 पे कॉल करेंगी, वो वर्चुअल विमेन पुलिस स्टेशन से कनेक्ट होंगी. और प्राइम मिनिस्टर, हम 8-9 लाख से ज़्यादा जो है वो बच्चियों की हेल्प कर चुके हैं. और इसी तरह चाइल्ड प्रोटेक्शन के लिए भी हम AI भी यूज़ कर रहे हैं. ट्रैफिक के लिए प्राइम मिनिस्टर हम आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस यूज़ कर रहे हैं. और मैंने अभी पिछले हफ्ते ऐलान किया कि फर्स्ट वीक ऑफ अप्रैल से अक्रॉस द लेंथ एंड ब्रेथ ऑफ पंजाब, ऑल चिल्ड्रन studying at the government schools would be trained in artificial intelligence. So, Honorable Prime Minister, for decades, the pursuit of justice in our country has been hindered by outdated methods and accidental contamination of evidence. Inshallah, after expanding PFSA from 8 to 38 districts, I will try and end this era of darkness. PFSA will be the first point of contact, first responder at the crime scene, and evidence will be scientifically collected, like international best practices and compliance models. Justice should not be privilege of a few. It must be a guarantee for all. By putting science at the front lines, we are ensuring evidence speaks when witness can't. I have complete and full faith in teams at PFSA. You are the architects of modern Punjab, modern Pakistan. Today, very, very proud of you. And Prime Minister, today it is not just an inauguration. It's a new journey towards excellence. And Honorable Prime Minister, this Punjab Science Enclave stands today as the ultimate tribute to your vision, a masterpiece of your legacy that I have been honored to carry forward. Over the last 1 year, under your patronage, I have worked day and night to breathe life back into this stalled dream, ensuring that every brick laid and every lab equipped makes your vision a living, breathing reality for the people of Pakistan. Shabash Team Punjab and Shabash Team PFSA. May Allah bless our efforts, our country, our homeland, and our nation, Pakistan. Zindabad. Thank you very much.